Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anonymous and Skilled Trader. Today we will be learning the basics of stock market. This is TradingView platform where I will show you the stock market, about the candles, that green and red candles, what are those, what it represents, what it signifies. Okay, so let us just open Bank Nifty. So as you can see, I have opened the chart. You might be amusing, what are these things, so many lines are there and these so many green, red, and what are these candles, what this represents. I will let you know, don't worry about it. First let me remove all the drawings and indicators so it will look more clean. So now you can see the chart is more clean and now you might be feeling a little bit more comfortable. Okay, there is much less to learn about it. So let us first talk about these things. What are these green and red candles? And this is the overall view of the software. This is TradingView platform. I will just select the brush. And I wanted to tell you one more thing. First, before starting anything, let us know about what is this platform. See here you can see the 35,364, the green line. It is the last closing price of the last trading day. That was yesterday, Friday. The price has closed here. Okay, and these are all prices. On the vertical side, what you are seeing, these are all prices, 34,600, 34,800. Okay, and this is what I am viewing. What is this 15M? Can you see here one 15M just beside Bank Nifty? If I click that, these are all time frames in which market goes. There is 1 second, 2 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So these are all time frames in which you can watch the market. And it's very good thing to watch in maximum number of time frames. Maximum means if you are a day trader, you can analyze the market in 4 time frames. That is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So that is a very helpful thing. Now this is a 5-minute time frame because I have clicked 5M, so it is a 5 minutes time frame. Now I will be teaching you about these candles. What are these things? These green and red things, what are these things? I will be teaching you about those. Let me open brush. So here you can see on the horizontal side at the very down, you can see these are times, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. These are times. Okay, it represents time, movement of time. Okay, now first thing is, here you can see a big green candle. So what is this? This is a green candle. This is what it means. It means the market was bullish. It is also known as bullish candle. Okay, and what it signifies, that the price has increased over a specific period of time. If some green candle is formed, it means that price has increased over a specific period of time. So in the instant case, as we have selected 5 minutes time frame, so in 5 minutes time, price has increased over a specific period, that is 5 minutes time. Okay, so in the last 5 minutes, prices has increased from its opening price. See, if I am keeping my cursor here, you can see some values in the left hand side. Let me show you. Wait. See, I have created an arrow there so that it will be easy for you to look there. So now when I am keeping my cursor on the first candle, you can see there are some values O, H, L, C. You might be assuming what are those. So let me tell you about them. O means opening price, H means higher price, L means low price, C means closing price. Okay, so opening price means from where the candle has started. These are the price here, this side. Currently it is showing as 34,990 because my cursor is there, but the market has opened on 34,936. Okay, so what I was trying to explain that, see, the opening price is 34,936, correct? What is the closing price? That is C value, 35,028. So price has increased over time minute 5 minute. Okay, so if you see in the candle also, candle would have opened somewhere here 34,936. Then from there it has gone all along to the highest point, that is 35,040, correct? And it might have come to the lowest point also, that is 34,916. Okay, so this is the highest point till where it has achieved, but it was not able to close there. So that's why there is one more point, that is called closing price, that is 35,028. So when this opening and closing point difference is in positive, that means the closing price is more than opening price. That what that means, a bullish candle has formed and price has increased. Price has increased, correct? This is very simple. In 5 minutes time frame, what you are seeing is price has increased. That means in the last 5 minutes, when the candle has finally formed, the price has increased from where it has opened. That's a good sign. Market is going up. Now you can see there is one more candle and it is red. Okay, red means khatra, so it means danger, and it means that the price has decreased over a specific period of time. So this is called bearish candle. What bearish candle signifies is price has decreased over a specific period of time. Okay, so now let me show you about bearish candle, the values of bearish candle. Now see, these are the values of the bearish candle. Okay, and there's one more thing what I wanted to teach you here is, see the closing price. Where the first candle will close, the second candle will open somewhat near to it. Okay, every time this will happen, the other candle will close either at the same price or somewhat near to this price. Okay, but this will not apply at the day end. Suppose you can see one small red candle over here just before this big green candle, and there is a very big gap between them because day has ended here and then it has given a gap up opening. See, there is a big gap between, it's called a gap up opening, which I will be teaching you at a later date. First let us learn about the candles. So this is a bearish candle. Here also you can see OHLC, same things are there, opening, high, low and close. So when the opening price and closing price, you can see that opening price is more and closing price is less. That means price has decreased over a specific period of time, and the price when it comes down, it will form a bearish candle. So this is a bearish candle what has been formed, correct? That's why it's called bearish candle. Bearish candle means when the price is decreased over a specific period of time. So in the instant case, this is 5 minutes. It's very simple. Now you understand the concept of what is this red, what is this green. It just signifies what the price is doing here. This is called price action. Price is going up, then price has come down. Okay, now there you can see one more candle is there just beside that, and this is very less body in that. Oh, now I have used one more term, that is body. What is body? You can see this rectangle thing here, full rectangle green thing, this is called the body. And then you can see small sticks here, these are called wicks. Okay, small lines above and below the rectangle body, these are called wicks. Okay, what is this body and what is this wicks? Body means the price has been stable till there, and the wicks means even the candle tried to touch that highest point but it was not able to close. So there a line will be formed, correct? Same goes downwards. Even the price, even the bears tried to pull the market downwards, but they were not able to do the same, and again price has bounced. Hence there was a wick. It symbolizes that price has touched till there. You can see till here in the instant case. So these are called wicks, and this rectangle is called body. Rectangle full of color, this is called body. Now same thing goes for bearish thing, correct? Bearish candle also. Bearish, that red rectangle is the body, and these lines are called wicks. Now you might be assuming, what is this third one? The body is very less in that and it's completely like wicks. So this is called a doji candle. This is also known as a doji candle. Okay, it is also known as indecisive candle. That means the market was not able to decide. Suppose green candle means market was saying you that market was just symbolizing you that I am going up. Okay, red candle means now I am price is coming down. Okay, but what about this doji candle? What it signifies? It signifies that the buyers and sellers both are trying to push market from their side. So buyers, what they are trying to do, they are going to pull the market from downwards, and sellers, what they are trying to do, they are trying to pull the market from upwards in the downward direction, correct? So when the buyers are sellers, the force applied by them, that means definitely their buying and selling power. When both are somewhat at equal level, this doji candle will form. There will be no body in this. This is called doji candle. Okay, so this is the third kind of candle. These three candles are there. This is bullish, either it will be bearish, and third one is doji. So that's it for the day. I think you would have understood about what these candles signifies, what is happening here. These are candles which just signifies about the price, whether the price is going up, whether the price is coming down, or whether the price where it has opened and closed at the same place. Okay, that is called doji candle. The price opening and closing will be at the almost same place. Okay, so thanks a lot. I hope you would have understood something from this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.